Hello everyone, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see, I suffer from really bad acne. But today we're going to be trying out another foundation. Who remembers Hard Candy Glamoflauge Concealer? Who remembers this? This came out, I don't even know when. I remember Walmart introducing Hard Candy. This is their exclusive makeup brand, and I was freaking out. I went to my Walmart and they didn't have any, so I had to order some online. I was freaking out. I can't even remember how old I was. I think I was in high school or something, but kind of crazy. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to be trying this out again, but the star of the show today is going to be the Glamoflauge Foundation. This is a new product for them. I think it's been out for a while though, but this is my first time trying it. Well, actually it's not my first impression. So I actually did a first impression of this and I ended up deleting my reaction and my initial putting on the foundation. I accidentally deleted that clip. Here's how I did it. I just deleted some footage off of my camera that I needed. No! I hate when that happens. I've never had that happen before where I just got too thumb happy deleting stuff. Dang it! So yeah, I'm really upset. But the final review and everything is still my first impression. It's just me applying the foundation that I accidentally deleted. So I'm going to be putting this on again for you guys. So I do have a little bit of kind of familiarity with the foundation, but this is what I'm going to be trying out. Mine is in the color Linen, which is 1503. And I tried the concealer the first time around. I got mine in the color Ivory, and this legit was white on me and horrible. Like, horrible. So I got it in a different color to try again, but it did not look great. So let's see how this goes. I also got a couple new things to try as well. They have a sensitive skin primer. So this isn't in my full review, but I'll definitely include how I feel about this. Hello. This is me editing the video, and I thought about putting just captions explaining how I thought about the primer, but I think I want to tell you guys and show you. My forehead broke out super bad. This is a couple days after wearing that primer and foundation, and my skin is still suffering, but I mainly broke out really bad on my forehead. And the first time that I tried this foundation, I didn't have a primer on underneath it and I didn't break out. This was definitely the primer. I also got, because they're clearancing these out, the Velvet Mousse like liquid lipsticks here. So I got mine clearanced and they came out with a whole new range. So I picked up one of their new Plumping Serum glosses. So I'm going to be trying that out. So grab a snack. I don't know what you do when you watch YouTube. Grab a snack, grab a drink, do what you gotta do. Sit down and enjoy this little review. All of this stuff was pretty inexpensive. I think the primer was like $6 or something, but you can only get this brand at Walmart. So this is what the primer looks like. I probably got a little too much out, but I'll go ahead and just put it all over my face since I did a lot. But this seems kind of like a lotion consistency. So I'm going to be applying the foundation with, I think I just used the Sigma F80 brush. So here it is, the good old Sigma F80, and all my Sigma links for the brushes are in the description box, and they are affiliate links, so if you guys shop through those links, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Actually, I'm going to do the concealer first because it was an actual disaster the very first time that I used it. Like, it was horrible. It like separated and looked like garbage. It was not cute. And I immediately wiped it off and just couldn't even have it on my face. It comes with like a tiny little pencil concealer as well. But I got mine in a darker shade, so hopefully this will match me. It's a very thick, like this is supposed to cover tattoos. I am pushing with all my might. Okay, this is still like way too light. But this concealer did not do great over the foundation. Wow, look at that. But it is so hard to get out. My gosh. I am pushing with all of my might. Jeez, it is so thick. The consistency reminds me of the It Cosmetics Is it Bye Bye Under Eye? Up close, it's kind of giving me that same consistency. It's just like settling into the fine lines and everything. If you can see that, it's just really settling in and not looking cute. So I don't think this is gonna look great over the foundation like it did the first time. It's looking very cakey and gross. I really liked this concealer, so I don't know what the problem is. But here's the foundation, and it has this really weird doe foot applicator to it, so that's interesting. I just put it on like this, but it definitely has like a paint like smell to it, but surprisingly I didn't break out from it. I was quite surprised. There is the brush side. This is just one dip, so I just used what I had on the applicator, and there it is. Yeah, this is just me dipping in once. I'm gonna go in with a sponge. I think I just used the Real Techniques sponge. Don't remember what sponge I used. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup, and I'll show you guys at the end the two lip products, so that'll be at the very, very end of the video for you guys, hopefully, or maybe it'll be right after this, I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna try these out for you guys. So the Plumping Serum Gloss and then the Velvet Mousse liquid lipstick, and I'll let you guys know how the primer is as well. Alright, I went ahead and took the concealer off and then just put the foundation on over the spots that I rubbed off really quick with a paper towel, because that felt disgusting. But the foundation still feels like really sticky. I don't know how to like describe this feeling. It's like sticky. I just know this is gonna break me out. I know it, but that's what we gotta do. Gotta sacrifice for the channel. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Oh, the time is currently 8:51. I'm finished with my makeup on my eyes. I have the Desi and Katy Friendcation Dose of Colors palette, playing around with some makeup that I've had for a while, but you know when you get like new stuff and then you end up using that like a bunch, you forget about a lot of the things that you had, so trying to dive back into my collection here. I'm actually thinking about selling a lot of my makeup on GlamBot. If you guys are interested in a video about that, let me know in the comment section below. My face feels so heavy and sticky. I used my Huda Beauty concealer, and it laid decently on top of the foundation. So I have this on my eyes, House of Lashes and Siren, Anastasia Brow Pomade, Sigma Blush Palette, Ofra Cosmetics Glazed Donut Highlighter, Besame Bronzer on, and then I have Lime Crime Liquid Lipstick in Ellie or L. In this tiny little set. So that is the makeup that I have on. Set my face with Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics. Did everything that I normally would do, and the Maybelline Superstay powder definitely added some more coverage. Absolutely love that powder, and I'm going to be using it for forever. Love it. So I was just putting on what I normally would put on anyway on a daily basis. So like I said, it is, you know, I'll just say 9 o'clock, whatever, 8:51 that I got done with my makeup. I'll check in throughout the day, but I already want to take this face off. It just feels so heavy like, and it's just settled into a lot of the nasties around my nose, and I don't know, it just doesn't feel great on my face. It feels really tight and just heavy, and I wear full coverage foundation anyway, and I normally don't feel it. So when I say I can feel something, I can feel something. This doesn't feel full coverage, it just feels heavy and nasty. So yeah, let's see how this wears throughout the day. Alright, don't know if you can see me, but I wanted to show you guys what the foundation looked like outside. It's 9:47 right now. I ate breakfast, so my lip stuff is kind of off, but that's okay. Here's what it looks like. It doesn't look too bad outside, actually. Kind of settling into some of the lines there, but it doesn't look horrible, thankfully. Look who I'm with.
Came to have lunch with me at work.
Let's see, the time is currently 1:30. I've had the foundation on since 9, and there's people watching. I've had this foundation on for 9, 10, 11, 12, 4.5 hours. It actually looks pretty decent. It just looks a little crusty for my liking. I don't know. Can't really see. You said it didn't look that bad.
No, I thought it looks fine. You just said it felt bad.
It just feels kind of, I mean, it feels a little bit better. It's settling into my oils. But yeah, so that's that. Just went into Ulta and got the new Face Tape Foundation. The color that I think I would be, they didn't have, so hopefully this will be okay. It was a little bit light, but hopefully this will be okay. I got mine in the color light, Fair Light Sand. Why isn't my camera focusing? There we go. But yeah, so I'll be trying this out. I'm excited. Hello. It's currently 8:24 and I've had this foundation on for 11 and a half hours, you guys. This is the final check-in. I thought I would do it like this so you guys can really see up close the makeup. This foundation does not look like I've been wearing it for 11 and a half hours. This sucker kind of popped, but you know, that was looking pretty gnarly. But you guys, it's like only a little bit oily around my nose, but it really doesn't look that bad. 11 and a half hours? Like, for real? I know I'm gonna break out for sure, because I mean, like, it's just looking extra bumpy in some places. But I am shocked. 11 and a half hours? What? Like, for real. It looks like I didn't even apply it that long ago. I am so shocked. You guys, if you do not have sensitive skin, recommend this because it is so cheap. It's Walmart, you know, got that drugstore price. Oh my gosh, like for real. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. You cannot tell I've had this on for that long. I'm just blown away. Blown away. Thank you guys so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye. I had some fun with my makeup. I used the Pinky Rose Spotlight Collection Center Stage palette on my eyes today, and like I said, I'm trying to really use more color in my looks. I tend to always go for like a warm neutral eye, and I'm getting so bored doing that. So now I understand why everybody's like, I'm so sick of the warm neutral, and I'm like, I love it, but I'm not loving it anymore. I film in my basement and it is freezing down here, but let's go ahead and dive into the lips. Like I said, so I'm using the Velvet Mousse matte lip color in Buttercup. So this is like the older one, so I think they have newer ones now. And then I'll put the Plumping Serum gloss on in Baby Doll, which is new. Ooh, really long applicator. The applicator is so long, it's like hard to control it. Oh, what is that? It's so hard to control it. Okay, pay no mind to that overdrawn mistake. This feels really nice on the lips. Now I'm gonna try the Plumping Serum. These have, oh, interesting. I don't feel it tingling or anything. Still a little too overdrawn. All right, we did the best we could, but don't judge this horrible lip application. But now that I've had this foundation on for a second time, I really actually kind of like how it feels. The first time I wore it, I did not like how it felt, but now, like, I'm kind of digging this. Like, it's not tight and sticky, but it's like, I feel like my makeup's not gonna go anywhere. You know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Sorry for the mishap with the filming at the beginning, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.